In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Google Sheets with Google Calendar. This is a straightforward process that can greatly enhance your productivity by allowing you to transfer schedule information from a Google Sheet directly into your Google Calendar. To get started, we're going to walk through exporting your data from Google Sheets as a CSV file and importing it into Google Calendar. First, head over to your Google Sheets document. Once you're ready, look towards the upper part of your screen and click on File. This menu will open up several options for you. From there, select Download and then choose Comma-Separated Values or CSV. This file format is key, as it will neatly organize your spreadsheet data into a format that Google Calendar can easily interpret and use for your upcoming schedules and events. After choosing CSV, your document will automatically download into your system's files. Now, let's move on to Google Calendar. Open your Google Calendar in your preferred web browser and locate the gear icon, which is typically found in the upper right-hand corner of the screen. Click on this icon to reveal the Settings option. Within the settings, you'll find an option called Import and Export on the side panel. Click Import, and this will direct you to a page where you're able to identify and choose the specific CSV file you downloaded from Google Sheets. If you're handling multiple calendars, make sure you select the calendar you intend to import the data into. Once your CSV file is selected, proceed to the lower section of the screen and hit Import. Within a few moments, your data from Google Sheets will now populate into your Google Calendar, marking the successful completion of this integration. However, it's important to note that importing via CSV is a static process. What this means is that the data you import is not dynamic. Any updates or changes made on the Google Sheets side will not automatically sync with your calendar. If you make frequent updates, you'll need to re-export and re-import the data as needed. And there you have it, a simple guide on boosting your workflow by integrating Google Sheets with Google Calendar. Whether you're consolidating meeting schedules, project timelines, or any other task that requires meticulous planning, this process efficiently streamlines your activity management. Thank you for joining this tutorial. Be sure to reach out with any additional questions or for more tips on making the most out of your digital tools.